Hey guys, what's happening? How to fix quote-unquote GoogleOne is not available for your Google account yet. To fix the GoogleOne is not available error, check your account type and region, right? It must match the Google Play. So if you're living in a different region but you set your settings to a different region, just go ahead to your settings, general, scroll a little bit down to find language and region. And then what you're going to do, head to region and make sure it matches the place you're living right now. All right. And that will apply to all the apps automatically. Next, what you're going to do, clear cache. So go back or stay on the general, and find iPhone storage. Okay. And what we're going to do, we're going to offload some unnecessary data from GoogleOne. So try to pin down GoogleOne on your phone, right? And then hit offload and double click to confirm that you want to offload GoogleOne, and that should fix your problem. If it didn't, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and use the browser version instead. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just type one.google.com and try to sign in to access more features. Okay, and also make sure that GoogleOne is fully updated to the latest version, so you can override this problem. So go ahead and search for GoogleOne on your App Store or Google Play and make sure that you update it. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.